Now that you've learned a bit more about smart exercise, make sure you know what to include in your exercise program to prevent muscle imbalances and keep your sedentary job from wrecking your body, no matter how little time you have. Click the link below to access my strength training as the ultimate ergonomics guide. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you want me to cover a topic, please put it in the comments below. And until next time, I am Sylvia Hua, reminding you to not just work out, but to train smart so you become unstoppable.